Hello, my name is Jerlando Jackson. I am the new Dean for the College of Education here at Michigan State University. Congratulations on joining one of the nation's leading colleges for preparing education and kinesiology professionals. You have made a tremendous investment in your future by joining the College of Education family. At your disposal, you have access to world-class researchers that are shaping global discussions in teacher education, rehabilitation counseling, and kinesiology, to name a few of the programs across our 4 departments. In your classrooms, your instructors nurture your cognitive growth, and your classmates have joined you on your journey toward graduation and into your chosen field of practice. I wish you a productive new school year. Go Green!